By default, VS Code's integrated terminal will use the current workspace as its working directory. You can use the terminal Cwd setting to actually customize this. To get started, I'm going to open up my settings with Control comma or Command comma on Mac. Just type in Cwd, and I want the terminal integrated Cwd setting here. Now we can actually set this to a relative or absolute path if we wanted to. So let's say in this example, I wanted the integrated terminal to always use the public directory here as the working directory. I can just say public, save that, and as soon as I create a new integrated terminal, you can see that it's defaulted to going to the public directory here. So we could use a relative path like that. We could use an absolute path to point to a specific location. But the other cool thing that you could do is actually use variables for this setting. So I'm going to go in here, and for the setting value, I'm going to type $sign and then curly braces, which is defining a variable. And I'm going to say fileDirname. And this will be substituted with the directory name of the current file that is active. So let me just go and save that and then close this file. And now notice here I'm in the index file, which is stored under routes and then /index here. And if I go and I create a new integrated terminal with this setting applied, you can see that it's automatically gone to the current working directory of using routes here. So it's looked at the current working file, got in the dir name, which in this case is routes, and then defaulted to use that as the working directory. Now I could also do the same for styles here. So if I switch over to the styles.css file, which is again under public and then style sheets here, as soon as I create a new integrated terminal, you can see that it's defaulted to go into the style sheets directory here. So by using variables like this, we're able to control where the current working directory is going to be defaulted to whenever you create a new integrated terminal. Check out the VS Code docs for a list of other variables that you can use with the terminal Cwd setting.